Hi everybody, my name is Cecilia Pino. I have been studying youth and adult correctional intervention for 2 years now. I'm in my third semester. My program consists of working with children or adults with a difficult past, multiple mental health problems like depression, drug problem, and many more, and more often than not with a justice problem like committing crimes and having a criminal record. In my future career, I will be asked to write a lot of reports and legal documents, sometimes in French and sometimes in English. This is how this website will come in handy because my English isn't as perfect as my French. I can pass all my written report in that website so I don't get embarrassed in court when my documents are full of grammar mistakes and the judge don't validate them because of that. So now I'm going to show you how to use virtual writing tutor. In the top left corner of my screen, you can see my browser. For me, it's Safari. If you click on it, it will automatically open a new tab. In the top middle of my screen, you have the address bar, where you can write the URL of the website. For us right now, it's virtualwritingtutor.com, which is right there. So this is Virtual Writing Tutor. In the top left corner of my screen, you have the option to maximize the screen of my computer, which you can do by clicking on the green button, like this. In the middle of the screen, you have the navigation menu where you have all the options to correct your text. Right under it, there's the text area, where you can write or copy-paste the text you want the site to correct for you. In my case, I will copy-paste a little paragraph. I did one mistake in my little text to show you guys what the site does to correct the mistake in my text. Now that I'm done, I can press the submit button, check grammar in the navigation bar. Now, on the right side of my screen, if we use the scroll bar, we can read all the information about my text. The word count, the paragraph count, but more importantly, the mistake that I made. So right here you can see they put the sentence where my mistake is. They underline it in red to make sure that you actually see it. They give you the little feedback and they tell you what the mistake is. So I can go back in my text and say and wouldn't to make sure. So I correct the mistake and then I can press the submit button again to make sure there's no more mistake. Just like that, it says no mistake. When I'm sure I have no more mistake, I can use the scroll bar again to go back up and copy paste my text and use it in the context that I needed. I can now close my browser by clicking on the close button in the top left corner of my screen, the little red X right there. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope you will use it in your future career.